I think on reflection, it was never my intention to cause any malice or not be humble about anything. I could have chosen a better word on reflection because it left it open to people putting their own context to it, where the only context I ever intended it to be was for India to spend a lot of time and make it really tough for them. And I've got to be careful what word I use here now because context could be attached to that as well. But yeah, so it's really a pity. Maybe what it did do is spice up the the ODI series, and especially with them winning that now, the T20 series becomes even more so. But yeah, and the unfortunate thing is, with all the noise that that word caused, I still think it's a perfectly good English word, but like I said, just left it open to too many interpretations. But what it did was take away the gloss of what was a really special win for our test team. So yeah, look, it's unfortunate, but like I said, there was definitely no malice intended. Being humble is a cornerstone of our test team and all our teams for that matter. And it's unfortunate that the noise and the talk became around the coach, who people shouldn't really even know who the coach is, you know. It should be about the players. But yeah, that's the unfortunate bit, and I'd like to think that it's going to be put to bed now.